Hey everyone, let me show you on my super simple composting barrel. This is just a standard 55 gallon barrel. I believe you can get these at Tractor Supply. I got this from a family member. All we need to do, we just drill some holes out of here. There's some screws here. There are some 2x4s running in here. There's a couple of them we did. And that's just to help it for when we're tumbling it on the ground. The lid, same thing. We drilled some holes in it. And this is currently my compost bin I'm not using. I have two of them. I kind of try and rotate them when I can, but this one's primarily mostly leaves, grass clippings, chicken manure, kitchen scraps, paper towel rolls, which I know I probably should have shredded those and I didn't, but this is actually starting to move down pretty quick, a lot quicker than I anticipated recently. So I'll go ahead and throw my chicken manure I have in here. So every time I clean out their chicken coop every so often, just dump it right on in there like that. Normally I chase it down with some leaves on top of that if I can, but unfortunately I don't have any leaves right now, so I'm just gonna leave that like that. I screw my lid right back on. I'm not gonna do it here on camera, but typically I'll take it off my cinder blocks there and I'll just roll it along my backyard a couple times, push it right back up on the cinder blocks, and I do that about once every week or two whenever I can. And then I'll come usually pour water all on here just to keep that nice and moist in there. But yeah, this one works out pretty good. Now I do have two. My second one is here. The lids are actually off right now because I was going to be stirring this up pretty soon, but same concept. This is more of a newer pile I have. I just cleared out all the compost in here and used it in my large bed over there, which you can see in another video. But this is primarily leaves down there, but I do have been putting chicken manure in here, kitchen scraps, and then I'll do another layer of leaves once I can get some more, or some grass clippings, because I know I'm gonna have to cut the grass a few more times before winter time. And I'll just kind of layer it up there when I can, and then I'll put water in. Like I said, same on the other ones. We have some holes drilled for some air. We have our pieces of wood in there to help it tumble around. We're pushing it on the ground. My only issue is the lid. Let me show y'all. The lid goes on like that, and then there's a piece right there that screws right on top of this. It doesn't allow water to get in, so I'm gonna have to drill some holes in here so when it rains I can get some water going in through there. But yeah, super simple. You don't have to buy anything real expensive. Get yourself a cheap barrel on Marketplace or at the store. Drill some holes for some air. Put some 2x4s in there for when you're tumbling it around. Just stack it on in there and you're good to go. Works really well. Alrighty, that's my composting setup. If y'all have any questions, recommendations, or anything, just leave them down in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks, y'all.